How to add a Westpac card to Samsung Pay. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to make sure that your Samsung device is compatible with Samsung Pay. To find out, you want to open up your Play Store. Then on the search bar, search for Samsung Pay. Here, if your device supports Samsung Pay, you will be able to download and install the application. Otherwise, it's going to show that this application won't work for your device. If your device is compatible, you want to download and install the application and also sign into your account. After that, if you want to add credit or debit card to Samsung Pay, you want to tap on the menu option and then select cards from there. Next, you want to tap on the add card option. It looks like a credit card with a plus sign next to it. Next, tap on add credit/debit card. After that, you will have to enter the information about your Westpac card. Enter the information such as your card number, expiration date and CVV number. Then follow the on-screen prompts to register your card. When you add a card, you must agree to card's terms and conditions. Depending on Westpac's verification process, you may need to verify your card. This could be done through a one-time code sent via SMS or email or through another verification method. You will be prompted to set up security features such as PIN or biometric authentication. Samsung Pay may require additional verification to ensure your identity. If you have any questions about the terms, contact the card issuer. Once the card is added, you can start using it to make in-store purchases with your phone. You can then start using it for contactless payment at supported merchants. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.